with snowflakes falling down. Angela's smile swept me off my feet. 3 seashells brought our hearts to play. Thank you, Demolition Man, for the gift on Christmas Day. I didn't have much, but a heart she could love. Angela's laugh warmed those frosty nights. From the future you came, with a gift so bold. 2 lonely people and a love story untold. We fell in love on a Winnipeg Christmas Day. Thanks to 3 shells, our hearts found their way. In the land of ice, our love shines through. Thank you, Demolition Man, more than you'll ever know. By the river's edge, with mittens clasped tight, hot cocoa and drinks, everything felt right. Future Man's gift brought this joy to our world. With Angela, I'm the luckiest man alive. Oh, our past love seems so strange and profound. From the seas of time, it's each other we found. In a world of chaos, our love stood true. Oh, thanks to the 3 shells and a future new. Thank you, Demolition Man, more than you'll ever know. The lanterns warm glow, the shadows dance on the wall. Angela's voice so sweet, it lights up the night. We found each other and we found love. Oh,